Hi, welcome to my channel. My name's Thomasin. I'm going to try and clear out my wardrobe today. I've got too many clothes that I don't like, I don't wear, and they just don't bring me joy. I need to get rid of everything. It's been a long time coming, and frankly, I just don't need all the clothes that I have. So I'm going to create 3 piles: keep, cut, and delete. I feel like that sounds good. Obviously, the keep pile is going to be items I want to keep. Cut is going to be items that I think I can do DIY with, and I just can't seem to let go of. The items that I'm getting rid of are probably either going to go up on my Depop, or I'm going to give them to a charity shop. Before I get into it, please subscribe. It'll be great if you did, and if you like the video, please like it. I'm mainly going to try and stick to items that fit in my colour scheme, which at the moment is like blue, green, grey, white, black. Those are basically the only colours that I wear. At this point, I've realised that this pile is way too small and this pile is way too big. Have I really got rid of anything? So I thought I wasn't making any progress, but I've got 2 piles of stuff I'm going to chuck in comparison to 1.5 piles of stuff I'm going to keep. So I think that's pretty good so far. Now we're on to coats, jackets, shirts, that kind of thing. This is so long. So I've got a few items that I'm not going to keep that I'm going to show you now. This dress is great for a night out. It's got these nice puffy sleeves, and I think it actually keeps you quite warm too. I got this scarf a couple of years back from a charity shop, and it's quite cool. It's got what I think is notable landmarks in Germany on it. So if you like German stuff, maybe you want this scarf. You can wear it as a top as well, which is the main reason why I bought it. This top is mesh. It's see-through, but not actually that see-through. I like the abstract design on it, but I think for me, I want something that's a little bit bolder with the colours rather than pastel. I think it's nice, but just not for me right now, to be honest. This black hoodie is cropped. I can't really think of how to style it, and I think it would make a good DIY item, but I've got a lot of things that I'm keeping for DIY purposes, and I don't want DIY to be an excuse for me to just keep everything. I have this grey North Face hoodie. It's quite a slim fit for a hoodie, and I like that. I'm trying to phase hoodies out of my wardrobe completely because I think I wear them too often. They're just a really good safety item. When I can't find anything to wear, I just chuck on a hoodie, and I want to be more put together than that. So not all my hoodies are going, but this hoodie is definitely going. I don't need this one. When I bought these trousers, the intention was to wear them to work, but I think they would have looked better on a golf course. They're very warm and comfortable, and I think it's a good material. They're not that bad, but I don't know why I have them. I just don't know why I have them. So this was my go-to going out skirt. It's a great, versatile, durable skirt. I still like it, but I think I just want something shiny, and I need to get rid of an item to justify buying a shiny skirt. I don't think I need white skinnies right now. Once again, this cross stitch tied up split side design was in fashion, and I wanted to join in. So I'm gonna get rid of these. Okay, so I think I got rid of a good number of clothes, but I had a few that I kept, not necessarily because I wanted to keep them, but because they were sportswear, and I just don't feel like spending money on gym clothes. I've also got a coat that I haven't got rid of yet because I don't have a replacement, and I think it's better to have a coat that I feel meh about rather than have no coat at all. Thank you for watching my video. If you liked the video, please like it, and if you really liked it, please subscribe, and I'll see you next time.